They are pretty good to eat, but would you wear this fish on your face? A company in Auckland says you might, and if that doesn't float your boat, you can stick it in your filter. A cool young company started by an air filter expert with a couple of mates is now leading a revolution in fibres.
Nanofibres are a very fine fibre. We're typically making fibres here 5,000 times thinner than a human hair.
Revolution Fibres' first commercial product is an ultra-sensitive air filter covered with nanofibre.
It's been specifically made for the HRV diffuser, so it's a nice fit. This plate here, covered in about 30 kilometres of fibre, is the first point of contact before the air enters the home.
Their nanofibres are spun from collagen, a natural protein that is dissolved in a harmless solvent. The fluid is then zapped with 40,000 volts, causing electrostatic repulsion. As the molecules repel each other, droplets are stretched to bursting. Liquid jets out at 80 metres a second, forming a long strand of fibre that will attract even the smallest dust particle.
On the air filter application, we think on every one of the filters that we've made, there's 30 kilometres of fibre, but there's essentially only 3 fibres on there.
Electrospinning started in the 30s, but this is the first process to use hoki skins, and it's a byproduct.
So we are extracting from a part of the fish which is not presently used.
It's a lot to do with the environment where the hoki lives, very cold, deep water, producing a certain type of collagen in their skin.
To make the hoki nanofibres, Revolution Fibres starts with dried chips of hoki collagen from the Science Institute Plant and Food Research.
1 kilo of material will make a fibre that would reach the sun. As far as making a fibre out of this collagen, it's the best in the business.
Electrospinning around the world is very much on the lab scale, where people are using needle-based technology where one needle produces a fraction of a gram per hour. So you need thousands of needles to get anywhere. So ours is a needleless system, sonic electrospinning technology, something we've been developing for the last 2 years.
With Ministry of Science and Innovation funding, Revolution Fibres has just about finished constructing a commercial-scale nanolume. Once it starts up, they'll be able to produce hundreds of square metres of nanofibre mat an hour.
It's a research and development machine. We're using our own in-house designed electrospinning process, which we've coined sonic electrospinning technology, and it's got some very, very good production rates.
If we really master the art of making those non-woven mats, we can literally make anything.
Everything we do is about innovation. And we're always looking to do things better, try things out. We make mistakes, we break things, we waste money on certain things we realise we shouldn't have, but that's all part of R&D.
And out of these brainstorm sessions come the next revolutionary ideas.
We have the ability to actually apply additives to the fibres. So actually we've got functional fibres that actually do something. So we've created fibres which have really good skin rejuvenation properties based on plant extracts that we can put into it.
And to go with your fish, extract of Sauvignon Blanc grapes?
It has very, very high UV protection properties because it's in such a harsh environment. We can take those chemicals and put them into the fibre and actually bring those UV protection properties of the grape into your skin.
And it doesn't stop there. Eventually, the collagen mats will be available to treat burns, wounds, repair skin, and carry cosmetics without the chemicals used in synthetic creams. The revolution has been televised.